Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today our topic is the argumentative essay. Okay, well, let's take a look at these two words, argumentative and essay. Last time we said an essay was, that's it, an extended piece of writing. Extended meaning long. Piece of writing. Now, what do you think argument means? A heated argument is a quarrel. An argument is simply where you present a belief or position. Okay? So, argument means presenting a belief or position on a topic that you will explain, that you will have a long piece of writing for. So, basically, we all have beliefs. Is Barcelona a better football team than Real Madrid? Is Rihanna a better singer than Chris Brown? You have a belief, and you have to explain your belief in a long, extended bit of writing. That's what we mean when we say an argumentative essay. It's going to be an essay where you present a belief on a topic. There are various types of essays. Arguments present a belief or position. You argue a point. Unlike some essays which may be basically informative or to entertain, an argumentative essay is going to give a belief on a topic. And we'll be taking a look at what and how we can present an argument. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com. See you soon.